Hello, friends. How are you, my YouTube family members? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Greenhouse. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you various ideas for beautiful garden. Here are multiple designs that can apply to beautify your balcony, porch, or yard. Splashes of color break up green, provide variety, contrast, and focal points. Try something both annuals and perennial flowers. For example, cosmos, sunflowers, and marigolds. Flowers have an amazing ability to beautify any space. Just pick your favorite color theme and you can create a collection of plants with the same flower color for a greater impact. Theming an area of your garden by clever use of color is an easy trick to use. My dear friends, I always try to bring very useful and fresh content for you, and press the bell icon so you will get all notifications of my new videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like my button, then press the like button and share it with your friends and family members. I requested to you to please watch this video till the end so you will get all amazing and beautiful garden ideas. Keep supporting me by subscribing my channel, and don't forget to comment in comment section and give me your suggestions. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.